This is the Nubia Red Magic 7S, and today we are going to demonstrate how you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. So, as we all know, unfortunately Fortnite is not present at the Google Play Store, so you cannot get it directly from there. Thus, in order to obtain the Fortnite, you gotta enter any search engine that you like, then of course make sure that your smartphone is connected to the network, should it be cellular or Wi-Fi. Then type in Fortnite APK. Among the search results, look for the official epicgames.com website. Then, go for it. In here, you gotta tap on this download from the app from Epic Games hyperlink. Wait until the Epic Games Launcher download file will start the download, then confirm it and then wait, of course. After the file gets downloaded, just tap on it, and prior to installing the Epic Games Launcher, it is usually required that you allow your browser or search engine to install unknown apps. So let me do just that. I'll grant Opera such permission, confirm the installation real quick. It is a one-time thing, so after that, each time you'll get something new downloaded, it will not ask you for permission since you already allowed it to install apps from unknown sources. So now let's launch the Epic Games app. Then tap on this black Get button located right in front of a Fortnite. And after that we can start the download process by tapping on this yellow install button, which is counterintuitive, but prior to installing we'll also have to allow the Epic Games to install unknown apps, as you can see, as we did for the Opera in my case. So let me just switch this toggle on, confirm the installation, and after the installation process will be successfully executed, you can launch the Fortnite, and all that it's left to do is for you to wait until the game will download all the necessary updates, resources and what's not, and after that you'll be able to start directly playing it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.